Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing a fun little makeup video for what you might ask? The rainbow that I'm wearing on my eyes, the rainbow that's probably in the thumbnail. So without further ado, let's get right on into it. Alright, so I am starting off with my base, but we're going to be using the Love You So Mochi palette and the Tarte palette, which you'll see later on. But first off, we're going to go in with the pink, and right now I am just packing on the pigment in the corner of my left eye because we're going from left to right, creating the rainbow. I'm not using red, pink all the way, love pink. Anyways, so yeah, just really pack it on and also do the underneath as well. I am matching the underneath to the top. And next up, we're gonna go in with the orange. And so we're just gonna blend that into the pink, blend, blend, blend. And of course, really pack on that pigment as well. I'm like, having a good primer for your eyes is also really helpful with getting on the pigment. And right about now, it should look probably something like this. I did a little bit of blending later. Now we're gonna use that Tarte palette. We're gonna be using the purple shade because the shade on the NYX palette isn't as nice as this one, and this is the Jessie Page X Tarte collection. So what I'm gonna do is really pack in the purple on my right eye, and of course we're gonna match that on the bottom as well. And then for this, I also used a bit of the shiny purple from the NYX palette though, and I did go over top of it just to give it an extra sheen because the palette doesn't always have that. Next, we're gonna move on to the blue. Now, I might actually use a different blue in the future. I found that this one, though it was really nice, wasn't the blue that I was envisioning for this look. I definitely wanted more of the blue that was like on my dress, kind of visioning that kind of blue, but it was still really pretty, but it was definitely more of a pale blue. So if you want a different kind of blue, perhaps I will do a rainbow makeup tutorial in the future and use a different kind of blue, but this is what we got. And of course I matched it to the bottom, blending it into the purple. But yeah, that's what this color was. All right, next up, we're gonna go in with the green. So again, just packing on the pigment. This is in the right corner of the eye. It is such a pretty green. It's very like a jade green. I love the NYX palette because the colors are always like sparkly and they have like a really pretty shimmer to it. But again, just yeah, pack it in there. And then I am also doing the under part as well. And now we're moving back to the left eye and we're going in with the yellow, but I use my finger, which is why I left this side to the last. And so I'm just packing it on with my finger and I'm really blending it into the orange and trying to get underneath without making it super splotchy. Now it should look something like this. We've got it all blended. Things are looking good. Things are sparkly. Now I'm gonna do my stuff off camera. Ta-da! Not the best transition, but it works. And to finish up the look, we're gonna do a little bit of highlight. So this is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Moonchild palette, and I went in with the pink heart. And I'm just really packing it on. You can barely see it on camera, but like, trust me, your girl was shining in real life. And then I'm also gonna add some blush because in the Kawaii community, we don't contour, we blush. So we add a little bit of that on each cheeky and we do a little bit on the nose as well, because why not? We wanna look cute. And last but not least, we have lips. So I'm using the NYX Puff Lip kind of tint, and then I am also going to be using a lip brush to kind of spread it out a little bit because we're going for like a soft look. So I got this brush from NYX and it's very nice, it's very soft. And then we're gonna top it with the Sephora brand lip gloss. Now this lip gloss that I'm using, you might be thinking it's gonna have red on it. I'm like, yep, but this is gonna be my dedicated lip gloss for this particular color now. I do that with certain lip products, they'll be dedicated. And yeah, here is the finished look. How do you guys think it looks? I think it looks really cute, and my mom really, really liked it. She was obsessed with it, so I need to get her a good picture because taking picture in like kitchen light is probably the worst thing ever. But yeah, I'm really, really happy with how this is. I definitely want to experiment more with makeup, so expect like trial/tutorial videos coming soon. But yeah, I had a lot of fun doing this. I think it's really pretty and I love how it turned out. Alright guys, well that is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed this fun little makeup tutorial. I love playing with makeup and I've been playing with it a lot more recently and playing with like blues and purples, which definitely scare me. So expect more trial/tutorial videos coming your way. Obviously they will be spaced out within the fashion stuff, but yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. I love you a lot and I will see you in the next one. Bye!